Thank you so much. Yes, namaskar मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे. It's time for match number 12. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers भिडणार आहे छत्रपती संभाजी Kings. It was their skipper Rahul Tripathi who won the toss and decided to field first. Let's have a look at their starting 11. Ankit Bhavani was brilliant yesterday. So a solid unit for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. They just need to fire. That's the starting 11 of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. The captain Murtuza Trankwala, Omkar Khatpe, Digvijay Patil, Om Bhosle, Saurabh Singh, Rajavardhan Hangarkekar. That's the team of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, the CSK.
Starting proceedings for the CSK, Saurabh Navle, 22 runs in the previous 3 games, so he'd be looking to get a start. And his batting partner, Digvijay Patil, 130 runs in the previous 3 occasions. And Nihal Samad would be looking to exploit that.
Nicely done. As Nikhil Bayu mentioned, a cautious start, just tucked away. Goes up, is it straight up in the air? Taranjit Dhillon under it and he's dropped it. For a second it looked like he had held on to it. Nihal Samad creates the chance. Digvijay Patil plays it straight up. Making room and he's connected that well. How well is that? Has it gone all the way? Yes, it has. Comes down the track, straight up. The fielder at third man is interested. Is it being taken this time? Yes, it is. So Digvijay Patil was consistently trying to go the fielder at long on. He connected one. This time takes the outside edge. And the fielder at third man makes no mistake. But the umpires have asked him to wait. The landing is what matters. And that's going to be a wicket for Nihal Samad.
Out for 9, 12 for 1, the CSK.
Omkar Khatpe, 148 runs in his first 3 matches, a strike rate of 142, 68 was his best. Oh, what a shot! What a way to get off the mark! Omkar Khatpe says it's all okay. Yes, accepted! The gift is accepted by Omkar Khatpe.
Through the line, trusting the pace and the bounce, so we'll get a boundary.
And this time a chance created. Gyan! Shrikant Munde, what a comeback! Those wides that he bowled. And now Saurabh Navle. He was struggling.
Navle departs for 3, 33 for 2.
Now comes the skipper, Murtuza Trankwala. Oh yes, he picks up that wicket. And that is what he is known for. The bounce that he can generate of these pitches. The tall, fast bowler showing what he is all about.
Trankwala chale pavilion pe वापस सिर्फ 2 रन बनाए.
And Om Bhosle has walked out to bat. 200 runs in his MPL career. These are the 3 top batters of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings.
बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर. अच्छा टाइमिंग. अच्छी गेंद. गुगली बल्लेबाज भी बिट. विकेट कीपर भी बिट.
एक अच्छी शुरुआत फील्डर के ऊपर से.
हवा में गेंद बिल्कुल ये यहाँ पर ये छक्का. बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट. थोड़ा शॉट था इस टाइम.
Time dances down the track. Straight to the fielder at long off. Nihal Samad can do nothing wrong today. Bowled well and he's also showing that he can field well.
Kolhapuri Tuskers, they're looking a different team today. Khatpe gone for 39, 74 for 4.
Man in is Saurabh Singh. Pressure will be on the CSK middle and lower order now. This time plays that one up Pishley. And that's a 6. Much needed big hit here. Oh, again cute, but straight to the fielder and short fine leg. Good comeback there by Shreyas Chavan. Om Bhosle is gone.
And Om Bhosle gone for 21. Now it's 91 for 5 after 14. Comes Qazi. This is his 4th match. He scored 30 runs.
Again plays that one nicely. That's a 6. Over the square leg region, straight in the crowd. Good catch there by the gentleman there.
Oh, that's what capitalization is all about.
After the timeout, they got a good over. Yes, they've got some rhythm here. Good momentum. In the air. Rahul Tripathi will take it as easy as they come. Yash Khalarkar picks up that wicket. Saurabh Singh was going for the big shots, and rightfully so. But this time, not quite able to get the distance.
Saurabh Singh departs for 21. It's 118 for 6.
Rajwardhan Hangargekar is the new batter. Outside edge, and he'll get a boundary. It doesn't matter how they come.
We're getting a little bit of rain, and it's getting a little harder as we speak.
Oh, it's raining very heavily. Everybody is running now, here, there, and everywhere. Oh, that's a sight. Not a good one for cricket lovers, but that is what action is all about. The moment the groundsmen saw that drizzle turning into a heavy shower, they just got their covers up and ready, and within no time the covers have been brought on to the ground, and they will ensure that the main plot, the main area where the pitches are, that's how the scoreboard reads. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings 122 for the loss of 6 wickets. Good little contributions from Onkar Khatpe, Om Bhosle and Saurabh Singh. Rajwardhan Hangargekar had just walked out to bat, an outside edge boundary to open his account. But top 6 back in the dugout, as it is raining heavily here in Kahunze in Pune.
We have some good news for you. We have play, but the players are coming out. So the revised target for Kolhapur Tuskers is 93. It's an 11-over game, and the power play is of 3 overs. 4 bowlers can bowl 2 overs each, and 1 bowler can bowl 3 overs. और देखिए, राहुल त्रिपाठी खुद आए बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए. ये दिखाता है इंटेंट, ये दिखाता है कि कप्तान चाहते हैं कि ये जीत हासिल करना ही है इन्हें. आज the target is just 93 in 11 overs. They are making a statement here. Ankit Bhavne is the most successful batter in MPL. Pranay Singh has been handed the new ball duty by his skipper Murtaza Trankwala. The very first delivery, plays it off his legs. There's a fielder there.
Oh, next stump ke upar again.
Time again, up in the air, behind the wicket keeper, boundary. As long as they come, they're very happy with it. Again moves around and pulls that one. Will get a boundary towards the cow corner area. Once again, keep an eye on Tripathi. This time again, pulls that one. Deep in wicket, another boundary. 3 successive fours here by Tripathi. Again, this time playing the lap shot. Will he get full value? Yes, he does. What a shot. Again this time, over the short third man, another boundary. Bhavne playing his second delivery of this innings. He's played that one and he gets a boundary.
Oh, what a shot. Another 6.
पर फिर और ये छक्का. बॉल लेग का फील्डर से देखता रह गया और वो स्पेक्टेटर भी वो कैच नहीं कर पाया.
और ये शॉट रिवर्स स्वीप. अंकित बावने पिछले साल के ऑरेंज कैप विनर.
Goes for the reverse. Has he connected? Yes, he has. Who's on to 47? What a knock. This is Chabuk batting. Rahul Tripathi.
कमाल का शॉट यहाँ पर, नजाकत से खेला अंकित बावने. वाह, क्लासी. ये शॉट देखने बहुत मजा आता है.
And that will be the run, and that will be the half century for Rahul Tripathi. That's exactly what the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers wanted, that the opener and their captain to score, and that's exactly what he's done.
कैप्टन इनिंग, बढ़िया बारी खेले राहुल त्रिपाठी. ताबड़तोड़ पिछले मैच में भी बेहतरीन बारी खेले थे, अच्छी शुरुआत करके दी थी और कम गेंदों में रन बनाए थे. आज भी जब से आए क्रीज पे, आज तो ओपन किया उन्होंने. आहा, कमाल का शॉट यहाँ पर, मिस फील्ड. बिल्कुल एक चौका हो सकता है. क्लोज कॉल है, वहां पे देखना पड़ेगा थर्ड अंपायर को.
Now the question, is that a boundary or not? Rajvardhan Hangargekar, the fast bowler. Is it a 4 or not? Yes, given by the TV umpire, so that's going to be a boundary. It's come out with some intention, goes for the switch and connects it well. Rajvardhan Hangargekar, full toss, lap shot, 4 runs. As if Rahul Tripathi had decided 5 minutes ago that this first ball, I'm going to play that lap, 4 runs.
कमाल के फटके मारते, वाह. और ये दूसरा चौका. खत्म हो गया मैच. बिल्कुल एक कैप्टन इनिंग और मैच जीत लिए राहुल त्रिपाठी ने.
महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीगच्या इतिहासात पहिल्यांदा एका संघाने 10 विकेटने बाजी मारली आहे. For the first time in the history of the Maharashtra Premier League, a team has won by a margin of 10 wickets, and that team is the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. They've won it by 10 wickets, and that's the kind of victory they required to get their league on track. You talk of victories, but now you talk of the margin of this victory is massive. So 94, just 7.2 overs for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Biggest victory, the history of the Maharashtra Premier League. No team has won by 10 wickets.